Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today we're unboxing Apple's new iPad mini in their new Starlight color. Now this particular model is the 64GB iPad mini 6th generation Wi-Fi model. So if you're looking to purchase the cheapest iPad mini you can, this is it, coming in at $499. Let's get started. All right, so this is the iPad mini, and you can pretty much see the size right here. It looks like Apple didn't hesitate on adding packaging to this. So there it is, the new iPad mini in that Starlight color. Now I'll give you a close-up and detailed look at this color in just a second. It does change a little bit in the light, but let's go through what else you're going to get inside the box here. So your manual packet, you have your quick start guide, you have some Apple stickers, and it looks like that's it. You do get a power brick, which is nice, and this one right here is going to be a 20-watt power brick, so that's nice. And then you have your USB-C to USB-C charging cable. So this is not the same cable that you would use on your iPhone. Keep that in mind. It does get a little bit frustrating at times when you need to charge and you don't have the same charger. Taking a look around the iPad mini 6th generation, we'll start with the backside here with the new Starlight color that takes over for silver. And you can definitely see how when the light hits it, it's a much brighter silver, and how it gets to a more neutral and almost gold color depending on what surrounding you have around you. So if you are thinking of purchasing this Starlight color, here is how it's going to look close up with different lighting. So pointing at it, away from it, and you can see it's picking up the brown from the table and almost creating a gold color. So it's going to have that effect if you have different lights and different surroundings. Now just comparing it quickly to the iPad Pro, this is space gray right here. And you can see how much darker that is. Over to the left side, you have a smooth finish in that same Starlight color, and that's going to surround the entire iPad mini. On the right side here, we have our connector for magnetic tools like the Apple Pencil or a keyboard, again surrounded by that finish in the Starlight color. The bottom, you have your two speaker grills, and then you have your USB-C charging port. Up top is where everything pretty much takes place. Again, you have two more speaker grills for the stereo sound. You have your power button with Touch ID built in, so you can actually use this as a fingerprint scanner to unlock your phone. And then finally, you have your two volume rockers. Moving over to the back side, once again, we'll focus on the new camera that's built into these new 6th generation iPad minis. And this is a single 12 megapixel wide angle camera. It has a dual tone flash below it. And this camera is capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second and has HDR and panoramic features built in as well. Moving over to the front side, you have a larger 8.3-inch liquid retina display, and this has a resolution of 2266 by 1488. The display features True Tone and P3 wide color and offers up 500 nits of brightness. Over to the top side, this is where your front selfie camera is located, and this is now a single 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with HDR, and it's capable of shooting 1080p video at 60 frames per second. Powering the device is the A15 bionic chip, and this is Apple's latest A-series chip, and you'll find this in the iPhone 13, 13 Pros. This is going to give you better performance in every area, better speeds, and it's going to improve your battery performance up to 80% better than the previous generation iPad mini. Now, like I said, this version of the iPad mini is the Wi-Fi model with the 64 gigabytes of storage. You can purchase a cellular model, which now connects to 5G for the first time in the iPad mini lineup. The 6th generation iPad mini also supports a 2nd generation Apple Pencil, which connects magnetically to the side for storage, pairing, and charging. You'll still get all-day battery life as the other iPads, so it should last you around 10 hours. And like I said, this is the Starlight color. However, you can pick it up in pink, purple, or space gray, as you can see right here with my iPad Pro. Now, when we compare the iPad mini here to the iPad Pro, and then also comparing it to the iPhone 13 Pro here, you can definitely see how the border stands out with these iPads compared to the iPhone. I would have liked to see the borders almost eliminated like it is on the iPhone, and I guess just from reviewing these iPhones the last few days, it's making the iPads almost look outdated with the thicker border. However, with that being said, it doesn't really get in the way of anything, and performance is still really good. For example, I love the Touch ID on the power button here. It works so well. All you have to do is just lock your screen. When you go to unlock it, you're just basically pressing and keeping your finger on that lock button up there. It works really quick, and I haven't had any issues with it at all. Also, I really like in the camera application here, you do have all of the features you would expect. So video, square, pano. You have the slow motion, you have time lapse, and you even have the center stage feature, which is going to allow you to sort of move around while you're in video calls and the camera is going to follow you. So you're getting a lot in such a small package, and at $499, it's a better value in my opinion than some of the iPhones that are available right now. So it could be an option if you're just looking for something to have on the go. If you get the cellular model, it could replace having to carry around or upgrading to one of the more expensive iPhone 13 models. It's definitely palmable. It does feel like you could carry it around really easily in a bag. It's super light, and I think that in most cases when I am on the go, I would probably choose the Mini over the Pro just for the size comparison. And honestly, being able to connect this up with various accessories like keyboards and Apple Pencil 2 is just going to be that much better. So that is the unboxing of the new 6th generation iPad mini in the new Starlight color. Let me know what you think of this new color, or if you think it's just silver and they're just getting fancy with the name. Also, if you found this video helpful or enjoyable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. There'll be more videos coming up on this new iPad mini, so definitely stay tuned for the channel for that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.